Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this video I'm gonna talking about log1p. So what it means that the math log. If you don't know what that is, just go and watch. I have a video about that. So after that, it does is math.log what it have +1. You find log of that and +1. The answer is here because it's need in too much in mathematics, so it gives. And an argument is always the base e, as you know by now. So what we're gonna do is console.log and math1p and pass something like 0. It will give you 0. If we pass 1, it will give you 0.6931 something. And if you pass -1, it will give you minus infinity, something like that. Yeah. And if you put -2, it's not a number. It will be not a number. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.